Okay guys, so today I'm going to try and pick this lock here. I picked this up the other day from a car boot sale. It looked like a nice lock. I'll just show you that it's working fine with the key. It's a bit stiff, it's a bit seized up, so we can get it open. Just a shackle sticking on it. It's got a big old heavy duty brass padlock. I'll just show you this key here. It's actually got side pins on it. I don't know how well you can see that. It's not a great focus. It's a 5-pin lock. As you can see there on the side, you've got two really deep side pins, one there, and in the middle, maybe I'll try and get a decent picture up on the video, you've got two very small side pins as well. You're not really going to be able to see down in that keyway. Maybe you can see the one side pin in there. Again, I'll try and get a nice picture of it because I haven't got a great focus on the camera. It seems to be unbranded. Some sort of symbol there on the key. I don't know if that's like the maker symbol or what. I don't know if anyone recognises that. But I'm going to give it a go and pick it anyway. And there we go, that's picked. I'll just get another tension wrench in there because it's binding up a bit. Okay guys, well thanks for watching. Please do keep watching because we'll be uploading some more videos soon. Please leave comments and please rate the video, and maybe if anyone can tell me maybe the brand of this lock. I can't work out if it's a cheapo lock or what, but there is a quality feel about it. I mean, I don't know, the key seems like a bit of a cheapo key, but I don't know, but it's a nice heavy duty brass padlock anyway. Okay guys, cheers.